Shri. My name is Razmina Fatima.
We are studying 9th standard from Government High School, Nada.
So, today we came up with a project called Smart Blind Stick. Usually, blind stick is very hard to find the objects. So we came up with our Smart Blind Stick.
Here we are using ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, stick and buzzer for our project.
This project's uses are: if can be used for blind people, if can be used in night times in forest, we can use it as walking stick. In future, we can develop it for other projects. Thank you.